If you don't like waiting for someone to help you, but still need to crack a tough problem, then do it Ink's way. Ink was hungry, and he'd found a peanut in a shell. Just one problem, it wouldn't open. He pecked, he struggled. Nothing. But when Ink saw cars crushing things on the street, he had a genius idea. He dropped his peanut right onto the crosswalk and waited. Crack! A car wheel did the hard work for him. But Ink wasn't done. He waited till the light turned red, then swooped down and snatched his prize, safe and sound. The crowd giggled, but Ink just cawed. In his mind, the whole city was his toolbox.